Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Muhammad Uzefa from PLC. Now we are going to have conversation from advanced students. Here is Miss Amara Ahmed Nawaz. So I want to ask some question from you. Can I ask?
Yeah, you may.
Okay. So my first question is that how is your experience in this coaching center?
My experience about this coaching center is good because I have never been anywhere a part of this coaching. I have just visited this coaching. First, I visited this coaching in October. I thought that I shouldn't come, but then I saw the environment. Environment was too much good, and I need to learn English, and that's why I thought that this coaching center is good. After that, I come here and I took demo class. After taking demo class, I thought that it's very beneficial for me to take admission in this coaching because the lack of confidence every student have, and I had lack of confidence. But now, if I talk about my observation about my past, so I didn't have that much confidence. I was not able to talk to like another gender. I was too much like introvert. Now I think that I can talk to someone. I can convince easily. I have learned many things from my teachers and from my seniors.
Okay. So my second question is that how many skills do you have?
If I talk about my skills, so I have countable skills or uncountable skills. Which should I tell you?
So why did you learn them?
I learned them because skills are very important in our life. If you don't have skills, so you cannot spend your life easily. If you have skills, so you can spend your life easily. If you are in trouble, so by skills you can go further. Like if you have cleaning skills, so you can go somewhere and you can take job, you can clean like for hotels somewhere, and skills are very important like cooking, stitching, washing, everything are skills, speaking, writing. So everyone should learn skills, and skills are very important in our life. By skills we can make our life easy.
Okay. So my third question is that why everyone is interested to learn English?
Nowadays, everyone is interested to learn English because it's an international language, and now English is spoken in all over the world. Everyone try to speak English. Everyone try to like take a best job, or for taking a best job they must learn English, and for taking a best job they have to learn English. Then they are finding a best coaching center for learning for speaking. They are trying their best for speaking, and nowadays many students want to go abroad for their education, or many students want that they should go abroad. So they are learning for that purpose as well.
Okay. So my fourth question is that what will you do after completing your diploma in English?
After completing my diploma in English, I will try my best to open my own coaching center because it's my own wish and my father's wish. But I want to teach students, and I want to get knowledge about teaching. I want to observe everything, and I like observing. So that's why I will try my best to open my own coaching center, and I will try to teach my cousins, sisters there.
Yes. Okay. Okay. What is more important, speaking or grammar?
According to me, both are important.
Why?
See, if you are learning, so if you are like local speaker, you don't know about English and you don't know about some any language, but you want to learn. First, you have to search about it, and if you will search about, then you will speak, and after speaking, you will improve more. Then an environment. emphasize too much. If you have a good environment for speaking, so you can improve more. And grammar and speaking both are important.
Both are important. Okay. So my next question is that which activity do you want to add in English language?
Activity which I want to add in English, that is observation.
Observation.
Yeah, my teachers should carry their students to new places, to visit new colleges, new places, new areas, new college, new centers, new schools. So they will observe. After observing that, they will utilize new things. After utilizing new things, they will improve more, and that's how they will get confidence as well. Then they will try their best, and if they will observe, their observation is good, then they can learn. If their observation is not good, then they cannot. If our teachers carry us to new place, visit new place, then we will think about new things. We will try to utilize new things. We will try to use new vocabulary, and that's how we will learn new things. And we will speak. We will learn more.
Okay. My next question is that which topic is easy to explain?
For me, the topic which is easy to explain is technology.
Why?
Because I have searched about technology too much, and I have presented many presentations about technology, and I have knowledge about technology, and I like to explain this topic, and this is too easy to explain for me. Because if you have knowledge about something, about any topic, you can explain it more better than another one.
Okay. My next question is that which of your habit help you to learn English?
Speaking, I think my habit which helps me to learn English is speaking, and it's my keen to learn. I speak with my friends. I am introvert in like others' language, in Pashto, in Urdu. I don't speak, but when I comes to English, so then I don't know what's happened with me. I start speaking, and I speak too much. And my friends, my teachers, my sister, my mother, they forced me to stop. You should sit silent, but I said no, I don't want, and I keep on speaking.
Okay. Okay, my next question is that according to you, what should be the duration of English language?
According to me, the duration of English language should be 6 months.
Should be 6 months.
Yeah.
Okay. My next question is which is the best language center in Karachi?
I think that the best coaching center where are you learning? Because I have never visited any coaching in Karachi. I just visited Progressive Language Center, and I have knowledge about this coaching. I have observed everything about this coaching. I know about this coaching. I know about their teachers, students, seniors. Their teachers are qualified. Their seniors are qualified. They make us converse very easily. Most of the students are like this. They don't speak. They are sitting silent. They are like introvert. They don't speak. They don't speak a single word. Then our seniors they help us. I am very thankful to my seniors. They make us converse, and it's a very hard work to making someone converse.
Okay, so my next question is that do you deserve to be in next level?
Yeah, I deserve to be sit in next level.
Why?
Because I have done beginner, then elementary, then pre-inter, then intermediate, so I should be in next level.
Okay, Miss Amal. So my last question is that a remarkable or memorable day in this coaching.
My remarkable and memorable day is my first day in this coaching. When I came, there was too much darkness. I was afraid. Then one of boy, I was coming to coaching, but then I got afraid. Then I said to my sister, I don't want to go more. Then she said, okay, we will go back. Then we were going. Then one of boy, he came. He had a torch. My sister asked him for help. She asked him that His sir is upstairs. He said, I don't know, you may go with me. Then we came with him. It was too much like darkness and too much noise. I got headache. After that, I took two medicines. But after taking two medicines, I had headache for 10 to 15 days. And because of that, I came and my sister left. She didn't come, and then I keep on coming, and now still I'm coming. I have improved.
You are improved. Okay. Thank you so much for your precious time, and thank you so much for listening us.
Any suggestion? Any suggestion?
Do you want to give us any suggestion?
Yeah, I want to give suggestion. When I was not learning English, so that time I was too much confused to solve English papers. Now I don't need to solve because I have learned, and I was not learning for that. It will help me. I was just learning for fun, and I didn't like to say anything. I didn't like to memorize my papers. I couldn't memorize 2 pages essays. But then it was my keen to learn English. Then I came and I was just learning in fun. After that, I see that it helps me a lot in my study. After that, I write 3 or 5 pages essays. I don't have to learn, and I don't have to learn about activities, about narration, passive, active, tenses, about tenses. So it helps me a lot. And now I don't need to memorize my test. Just I see what's my topic. I just listen what is topic. What's the topic is about. Then I get it. After getting it, I write it in my own words. So English is too much important for study. We can improve ourselves, and we can improve in study as well. So everyone should learn English, and they should speak English. It's also beneficial for learning, for speaking, or for working. If you want to get job anywhere, so you can get easily. If you have a skills.
Thank you so much for listening and watching us.